Hey everyone, welcome to this week's tip. I'm going to be talking about this cool little site called Just Retweet. So it's pretty similar to viral content buzz that we did last week, but let me just show you here. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Twitter. Yeah, I always sign in with Twitter. It makes my life easier. So here we go. So it's the same situation. You're going to be sharing other people's posts to earn credits and then creating a post that other people can share so that it's the same situation. So I'm going in and let's go here. I don't need to know about razors. Let's actually go to category blogging. I don't think my tweeters are interested in my Twitter followers are interested in a silky smooth skin. Okay, you should co-create, not compete. Awesome, love that one. So I'm gonna schedule it. Now what this does is it schedules it to go out at optimal time, so it's not like mass sending, but I still get the credits right away. So that's the only difference here is even though it's scheduled to go out, it doesn't wait until the post actually goes live for you to get the credits. So let's see here. Let's just keep going. Not a good amount of credits here. Okay, what do we get there? 400, we can do better. People used to offer like 50 credits for posts. It was crazy. Now I noticed they're doing like 10 and 20. Okay, I think that's good enough. We're over 500, yeah, we're over 500. So I'm gonna go ahead and click submit tweet. Now, essentially what you're doing here is you're literally just creating a tweet and getting it to be sent out. So let me go here. Here is a tweet that can go out. This is one of my tweets. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy it. And then I would like to offer, we're gonna be nice, we're gonna do 50 and we're gonna say 10 times. So I'll spend 500 credits, which is what I earned here today. So I'm gonna allow them to Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus. Minimum number of Twitter followers to promote, I'm gonna say 10. There we go. And this is really about SEO, search engine optimization. So I'm going to go ahead and submit this. Voila. And it's being moderated now, I think. Or is it live? Yep. And then I can always go back and edit them if I want to add more credits or any of that good stuff. So it's same situation, but again, just like little things to help you increase your activity here on Twitter. So if I go into my analytics here on Twitter, just to show you a little bit, like my traffic's all up. Like there's tweets that are getting, ooh, that was my top tweet. I don't even remember tweeting that. There's tweets that are out here getting, this one is a great one. This post right here was a huge viral. I hope Megan got lots of traffic from it too. Let's see, so there's other ones here. I've had comments from people. So it really helps my engagement here on Twitter and helps drive more traffic to my website as well. So if you have any, and again, you saw it takes like literally 5 minutes to do. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Bye guys.